So I dedicate this movie to Endun, a good friend of mine that was brutally murdered a couple of weeks ago. Later on in the video you'll see her and her murderer. Anyway, we love you, Endun. So we've got the BUISNESS cruising past. Now I'm down at Legian Beach. I haven't been down here for sunset for I can't even remember how long. So I'm just going to cruise along down the beach, see what's happening and see how busy it is at Kuta Beach or Legian Beach. Come on, Luce, let's go. Luce, Lucy, come on. How are you?
Long time no see.
Right, yeah. So this is the famous Skippy. We're at Skippy's bar on the beach in Legian. Busy or what, bro?
A little bit, not too busy.
Huh? Original Balinese playboy, this one, look. Hey? Luce, you're running away, you got lost. I wait to watch it, she'll get lost here. Alright, Skippy's got some mates coming in. So me and Lucy are going to go for a walk. Come on, Luce, let's go.
Okay.
Hey, mate. Alright, no worries, Skippy. Hello, how are you? Where are you from? You don't mind if I film, do you?
That's alright.
YouTube, so.
Sydney.
Oh, yeah? Alright. How long are you here for?
Just over a week.
Over a week, yeah? Staying around this area or?
Yeah, a couple of minutes away.
So you know Skippy, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You always come here?
Every other.
Alright. Yeah, well it's good because there's so many boxes now, it's hard to get a thing. How are you? Good? You having fun in Bali? That's good. Here's a sticker if you want. I'll whack this in the video. Sooner or later you'll be in it.
Cheers, mate.
Alright. I'm going to go for a walk, Skippy.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, bro. Huh? Oh, he's got the sticker on the boards. Yeah, look at that. Go the sticker. If you ever rent a surfboard from here, scan the code. Scan the code. Oh, what have we got here? Some guys selling some wood carvings and stuff. Very nice. Wow, they're steel, yeah. Check out the crabs. Yeah, they're metal. Bessie, eh? Yeah, brass. Right, they're all brass. Right, nice. I didn't know they were selling stuff like that down the beach here. Seems to get more busy the more that we walk down towards Seminyak. So we'll see what's going on down here further. Bloody good beer, mate.
Bloody cool, mate.
Bloody cool. It's Mr. Chocolate Bar. They've got good little bar setups. You can buy everything, all the spirits, beer and everything. Hey, bro.
Hey, welcome to Bali.
Welcome to Bali. Wow, it's busy. Look at this. A lot of people around. Come on, Luce. Passing me is Uncle Chan's bar in here. Wonder if Uncle Chan's around. Yeah, it's definitely getting more busy down this way. It's buzzing, actually. It looks like it might be a good sunset. It's pretty clear. Oh, check out a little puppy. Hello. Hello. No. Yeah, they got more of this steel stuff for sale here. Wow, there's definitely a lot of Australians here at the moment. Literally hundreds of them. They're all on the beach. I suppose it's a thing to do. So I seriously haven't been down here for about, I don't know, maybe even a couple of years. I haven't come down for sunset. I come down in the morning, but I sort of refuse to come into Legian and Kuta because of the traffic and the madness. So we're nearly down to Padma at the moment. You got Lucy Warung, Happy Warung up here. What's he selling? Watches. Hey, bro. Bangles. So this is a really busy spot of a morning here. Like, you come down here in the morning, all the expats are hanging in here. They're having their morning coffee, 6 o'clock in the morning. It's very busy. So this is Lucy Warung and Happy Warung. So I did a video on Happy Warung, the chicken palmy, and the other Happy Warung. It's really good. So it's really busy in here. So we'll head up past Padma car park and see what's happening up in here. The car park's full. Yeah, it's very busy. So I might just go over here to the edge and sit down for a minute and just watch the people walk past. This is a pretty good spot to see sunset. See sun will be setting straight out here. It's going to be a good arvo, I reckon. Okay, we're up near Lizard Bar now. We'll see what's going on up here in Seminyak. See how busy it is, see if it's just as busy or not as busy, or whatever. Lucy, come on. Alright, we're down here at Lizard Bar. It's changed a bit since I was down here last time. Here, banyak baru, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, look at them all. Before there was only Lizard and Cookie in the corner here, and that's about it. Well, look at it now, there's just bar after bar after bar up here. So, alright, we'll go down here, see what Cookie's doing. See if there's anyone in Cookie's corner. Come on, Lucy, let's go. Yeah, well, it's not sort of thinning out a bit up here. It was really, really busy up around Melasti and Padma. Really busy. So this is... Oh, hey! Oh, is this your bar?
Yes.
All right. Hello. This is
Hi,
Endan.
my sister.
All right. Now, I've been told by a few people I shouldn't even put her in this video, but I filmed this video about a week before she was murdered, and yeah, she was just a good friend of ours. This is to respect her, and I'll sort of say what happened. This guy here is her like ex-husband, and she had him managing her beach bar here, and she just sacked him. It's probably the day after I was here or something. And then whether it was jealousy or anger or whatever, yeah, he's taken the big coconut chopping knife from here and killed her in a room, slept with her all night, the body, and stole everything, stole all the money, stole everything, ransacked the place. Took up to Monado in North Sulawesi, where the police very, very quickly disabled all the cameras and things like that around her place, and it was premeditated, you know. And they caught him up in Monado in North Sulawesi very quickly, within a day or so. They already had him. So, and yeah, I hope he rots in hell in jail. Gets shit kicked out of him every day. But anyway, we love you, Endan, and yeah, just my respect. I thought I'd leave it in the video because she was a good friend of mine. Anyway.
Sister, how are you?
My sister, my brother. Hey bro, how are you? Good. Where's Swifty? Hiding in the corner?
Sleeping
Hiding, eh?
ya.
Huh? Sudah tidur dia? Eh, mabuk sudah?
Mabuk every day.
Yeah.
My daddy, every day mabuk.
So which bar is yours? This one? No?
Huh?
This one yours?
Yes, me.
This?
Here.
Alright, so this is Endan and this is Endan's bar here, the beach bar?
Lala have television, everything.
Alright.
Look here. Wet me.
Alright.
Wet.
Alright, you got
Before-
Wi-Fi too, look
No,
out.
before good.
So has Cookie still got this one?
Yeah, cooking here.
Alright. Alright, so you're in between Cookie and Lizard?
Yeah.
Alright.
Me here.
Yeah.
Look, you look Endang bar.
Oh, you're right, Endan bar. Yeah, right.
Endang surfing lah.
Alright. Oh, you got surf school?
Have to mas surfing. Look here.
Yeah. Alright, so give me a grand tour. So this is Endan's little bar if you're coming down the beach here, sort of opposite the...
Have to mas surfing.
Alright, so you've got surfboards to rent and stuff in here.
And surfing.
Yeah, right. Food in here too, apparently, so yeah, you can come and get food or whatever. So,
Or not.
a lot of people here at the moment, a lot of Aussies by the look of it walking past. Banyak orang sana, banyak. Just got a new
Heniken.
subscriber, look out on the beach.
Ada tuh
Legend.
minuman Heniken itu loh, Heniken. Hello. Me sister, the brother.
Alright, so we're still here on the beach. It's just about sunset, but it might be too cloudy to have a good sunset. We'll see. It's really busy. There's a lot of people around, drinking, having fun for sunset. It's starting to get a little bit red, but I think there's too much of a cloud bank over here to have a good sunset. We'll see what it's going to be like in about 15-20 minutes. I'll come back. There's a lot of people here but drinking. They're all Australians, all having fun, or down here for sunset. That's about it for sunset. Everyone's packing up and starting to leave now. It's about 7 o'clock at night, I suppose. It's busy, but everyone's going. Sunset's over, so that's the end of the video. So if you like the video, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. See you on the next one. Anyway, so I hope you like that video. You know the drill, thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe and all that sort of stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, and RIP Endang.